Your small business is the #1 target for website accessibility lawsuits, not giant corporations. Over 70% of all digital accessibility lawsuits are filed against businesses with revenues under $25 million. Plaintiff law firms are using automated bots to scan thousands of sites for common, easy-to-find violations, and lawsuits have surged by 37%. Getting hit with one of these can cost you anywhere from $15,000 to $100,000 in settlements, and that's before you even pay your own lawyers or fix the website. But you can start protecting yourself right now for free. Seriously. Unplug your mouse and try to navigate your entire website using only the Tab key. Can you get to every link and button? Can you tell where you are on the page? If you get stuck, you've found a critical legal risk. Next, use free tools like Google Lighthouse or Wave to scan your key pages. They'll give you a checklist of problems. The most important fixes are surprisingly cheap. Adding descriptive alt text to your images is free and built into your website editor. Fixing bad color contrast so people can actually read your text might cost $150 for a developer to fix in an hour. You can solve your biggest legal risks for under $500. Don't try to fix everything at once. Focus on your homepage, your contact form, and your main product pages first. And be wary of those accessibility overlay widgets. They don't fix the underlying code that the lawsuit bots are scanning for, giving you a false sense of security. This isn't about a massive budget. It's about making smart, steady improvements. Protecting your business and opening it to more customers is a journey you can start today for almost nothing.